And it goes a little something like
hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. If you are new, hi, how are you? My name is Jay and welcome to my channel. Here on my channel I do beauty videos, hair tutorials, makeup, cooking. Every so now and then I do a bunch of other little things here on my channel. So if you're interested in all of those things that I've mentioned, stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And let's get into today's video. So for today's video, as you guys know, I do hauls or unboxing or on review or reviewing every now and then. So for today's video, guys, I have a haul unboxing, not a haul, but like more like an unboxing video for you guys, kind of, sort of. So I've ordered this hair for, I want to say, over a month. It does take that long for me to get stuff to arrive here on my island, but it is here finally. We've had some troubles with having it shipped, but it's finally here, thank God. So for today, as you guys can see my hair, this is how it is looking. I haven't really done anything to my hair since my last video that I made unintentionally. That will be posted before this video ever comes out, but I did a wash and go, and now this is my hair after I finally took that out, and this is how it is looking, dry and stuff. Now I have to go to the store, and I've wanted to try my package here. I wanted to put it in to go, so I was like, you know what, let me do this video before I go. So kind of have my little excuse to make a video, because I wanted to unbox it and show you guys everything before I actually put it on. So yeah, so first I am going to open it. So this is what it comes in, and I will put a screenshot of where I found it, which is on Amazon, and I will put it maybe like right here for you guys. Scooch over a little bit. I'll put it right here, a screenshot of the details, how much it costs and whatnot. So let's get into it. So this is how it comes. It has like a little bit of a smell to it, nothing too harsh. I'm not sure how much length it is. I think maybe 18 or 16, as I don't really like long hair as much. It is Indian Yankee, and it is the half wig, weave, whatever. Really soft and nice. Now they do have it as synthetic if you guys want it as synthetic, a lot cheaper. I believe this was around 40 something or 50 something dollars. I really had to close my eyes and get it because I don't like to pay that much for hair, but I find it to be more of a long-term purchase because it is human hair, so the quality isn't gonna go away that quick as synthetic. So I decided to go with the human hair instead, and I believe this was either color 4 or 1B. My hair is more like a 4, but when it goes down, when I fix my hair, it kind of gets a bit darker, so I wanted it to kind of be closer enough to like match my hair color. And it did come with two other, oh, I thought this was black. I saw this last night because I did look at it, but I thought it was black, but turns out it is blue. So it came with these two, and I love this print, so I may be wearing this more than I would wear this one, but it did come with two, which is really nice. So enough of me rambling on. Let's get into the try on and styling. So with my hair, I'm just going to put some oil moisturizer in my hair before I get into like detangling and putting it down. So I'm just gonna add some of that to my hair. I'm not doing nothing too fancy to my hair. Oh, I'm just gonna put something in just to kind of help lock in some moisture. That way it isn't so dry and brittle underneath the cap. Okay, so now I'm just gonna brush this down, try to brush it all the way back. That way it doesn't like show up any bulges and kind of have my hair looking neat in the front for the half wig, because the front is what's going to be showing mostly, like right here is most of what's going to be showing. So I'm trying to lay that flat. Okay, so now I'm just going to push that all the way back and create almost like a low bun to the back. Okay, so I'm just creating like a low back or mid back bun. Next, I'm going to be adding some of my edge control. I'm just going to use that around the perimeter of my hair, like to the front. I'm just going to add that in a little bit. And I'm going to use my brush and brush that in so that it lays down slick and smooth. And again, this is just for the front, so I don't need to do it for the back or anything. Okay. And next I'm going to be using I think it's like a wig cap. I'm going to use this to kind of protect my hair a bit and push this back a bit. I don't think this is necessary, but I mean, this is my first time trying this. I'm not sure, but just in case, I'm putting this on my head. So what I'm seeing here is that it comes with a Velcro at the back. So you have different sizes, just in case, like, you know, you have a much thicker hair. So you can put it here, but or a smaller head, whichever. And you just stick it on, it secures on, and it has a comb at the back. So I'm loosening that, and then I'm gonna put it on over my head. Okay, so I'm gonna use the pin and I'm gonna hook it under where the cap lies, and I'm going to stick this under. Use the pin and stick that under. Y'all, I don't have much hair on my head. Okay, that's not working. Let me try again. Let me try again. Okay, you know what? Let me maybe get this hair out the way. I don't know if my head is too small. Oh, they have comb in the front. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. This looked like the hair that I used to wear back in the days. Okay. Okay, it's not fitting on my head as good. I don't know, maybe I have to play around with it so much. It's a bit loose than I thought it would have been, but I mean, I'm just heading to the store and I wanted to try it on, so I mean, no big deal for today. And then I'm gonna put this one on, of course. Or maybe I should try, let me not be judgmental. Let me try this one on with it. Nah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna put this one on. I think I should have put it on before doing all of that. Okay, and use this to cover up the band, kind of. And of course, I'm gonna be doing some little swoops, side swoops. Gotta make it look a little bit more like my hair here. Okay, guys, so this is just a short video, but let me know what you guys think. Does it suit me? The length is like to here, so it's not that long, but I do like it. I do feel like it matches my hair, my natural hair better, so it would as if like seem like it's my hair. So I really do like it. I love the way it feels. I do highly recommend this hair. Maybe I'll link it in the description box, or like I said, maybe you guys can check on the screenshot. I'll put it up again so you guys can go look it up for yourself on Amazon. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Is it a vibe? I feel like it is. I really do like it. So if you guys see me wearing this 5-10 times straight in a video, mind your business, okay? A girl's feeling her hair. That's mine. All right. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching me unboxing my new hair, and thank you. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you are new. If it's red, that means you are not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.